I'm discussing very important one. How you can download by XML sitemap and how you can add by your website. First of all, you can go to your website, which you can check your website will be XML sitemap is there or not. .com/sitemap.xml. Now you can check. The file is not existing. That is called the showing for home page. So how you can add the file? First of all, you can download. The website will be called sitemap icon in your particular website.com. xml-sitemaps.com. You add your particular URL, more options. Here you can add always, you can give by option will be enable this option, click for always. People ask one question, what is the purpose of XML sitemap? XML sitemap main purpose, page modification, page count and page index. Any page will be indexed or not, and the pages will be counting purpose, and what are the pages contain will be changing and modification. We can find out by using XML sitemap. First in this one, just start your downloading here. The file will be scanning your particular based on your pages. How many pages you have, they scan by the particular pages. The pages will be scanning in your particular website. So in this, the scanning is going on here. You can add your particular option. So in this one. So file is going on download here. Wait for the few seconds. My file is downloaded. Just upload by download your file. Before downloading, you can check the download folder. Any file is old file is there, you can check it out. You can check it out. Any files are there. No files will be found here in this option. So download near option. Sitemap file will be downloaded here. Next we can go to where cPanel, file manager. This go to option name is called. We can go to understanding for public underscore HTML. Upload the file, select your files, and here. Previous we have got error. Now you can check it out. Yes or no? Previous any errors are there? They're not showing for sitemap. Now you can refresh. Now showing sitemap. This is a compulsory important the file updating for your particular website. Without XML sitemap, the website page indexing count, page count, and page modification we can't find out. This is very keep it on the mind to understanding for calling for web pages on search engine purpose, not only for Google. All search engine will depend on the XML sitemap to changing for page modification text found purpose.